To make this power, we use the TST WORX velocity stacks. They are 3D printed. I used a knockoff K&N air filter, and I de-emissioned the engine. That means everything that was on it that I guess wasn't necessary, I took off, like the charcoal canister. I have some videos on how to do that stuff on my channel. It also has ceramic bearings front and back. I'm not sure to what extent that, I guess, freed up power delivered to the tire to help make that. But John admittedly and I both know that I could have made more power with a shorty exhaust, or more peak power at least. And the exhaust that I'm running is somewhat restrictive, probably not as restrictive as a stock exhaust though.